I would like to point out that there was one guy that did complain about UPS trashing the box, and UPS trashed the box. But we'll see if the contents are still intact, and see if we don't have to sue UPS. Okay. Now doing this one-handed is quite difficult. Okay. Seal broken. Oh, it does come in. It just comes. Yeah. See, look, it comes in another little tiny box. It comes in a smaller box than my Gateway tablet. That's kind of sad. Although Gate was Gateway, I think presentation was everything. I don't think presentation is everything with Asus. Squeaky, clean. I do not like squeakiness. This is definitely not a one-handed job. I assume it's the power pack. Power brick. The battery is as small as my EPC battery. That's just kind of sad. And no wonder why this thing only gets like 5 hours through 1.5 hours of battery life. I don't think it's physically possible to myself out of here. Oh! Goodness gracious. Okay. Now we investigate. Cable tie. And ironic. Power to go. That's the DVD watching software. Windows 7 recovery media. I'm not even entirely sure what's included on that. Driver and utility disk. For only 64-bit. That's kind of sad. Screen cleaning cloth. A manual. Warranty card. And then, this is the quick start guide. Well, the sticker is not in the same spot as his list online. Select 4 working modes. Global warranty, true cinema display, express gate, CPU, GPU, warranty, memory, hard drive, display. Okay. And as I've never done in a video before, we've actually going to try and boot this thing up. Okay. The battery in it should have a residual charge like all lithium batteries do. Is there a lock? Okay, here we go. Lock the battery in place. I definitely need the 9 cell. Okay, here we go. Pressing the power button. Oop, lights turn on. There you go, starting Windows. Backlit keyboard. There's a button for keyboard illumination. There is. Looks like there's 3 levels of keyboard illumination. That's kind of cool. Okay. We always keep our stickers because stickers are important. Control communication, 2 megapixel camera, vibrant color. Well, my experience is Asus, the camera they put on my monitor is one of the better cameras I've seen. Feels like a sin taking that off. My language is English. Wow, it's a contract to use the computer. It's hilarious. Okay. Wow. Right time zone, wrong time. It's ahead by a day. Let's see, 2:39. Yeah, he wants to get on the wireless network. It's not going to happen.